In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the process on how to use TikTok templates in CapCut. To use TikTok templates, you don't need any third-party applications. You can find tons of templates on the platform of TikTok itself. So open up your TikTok and in the search bar, search for CapCut templates. Now as soon as you do that, you can see all of these videos are made with CapCut with TikTok templates. You can easily swipe and find the one that you like. And if you want to use it on your videos, you can tap on this try this template and tap on use template in CapCut. Now after you do that, that particular template will open up on your CapCut app. If you have your CapCut installed on your device, it will directly open up on the app and you can easily use that template for any of your videos. If you guys like this video and found this video useful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and keep watching our videos, and we'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thanks for watching.